Hello, I'm Paola and I'm going to explain our trip. Okay, Tayrona National Natural Park. This is a wonderful place that is located in the foothills of Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta in Colombia. Okay, in your first day, you are going to fly to Santa Marta. And Santa Marta is a beautiful city, and you can to do different activities. In Santa Marta City, you are located in the Masaya Hostel. Masaya Hostel is a beautiful hotel, and this day you can to visit the history center and Bolivar Park and the Basilica Cathedral. The next stage, you have to go to the Taganga town, and there you have to take a boat to the Tayrona Park. The trip is approximately 1 hour. When you are staying in Tayrona's Park, okay, when you are staying in Tayrona's Park, you can to stay in the Eco Hotel Yachay Tayrona. This is a beautiful hotel that you can see in the image. This is the different beaches that Tayrona's the natural park has. For example, Piscinita Beach, Arenilla Beach, and Cabo San Juan. Okay, in the hotel you can enjoy the delicious seafood and also a typical food, for example, bollo de yuca, coconut rice, and arepa de huevo. And they have many different delicious desserts and drinks. And I hope you enjoy your trip. Bye.